Today I am going to deploy Nginx server in the AWS cloud. So first we need AWS console. So now I am logging into the AWS console. If you are using first time AWS console, here in the left side you can type EC2. It is a virtual servers in the cloud. It is a elastic compute cloud in the Amazon EC2. So what is EC2? EC2 is a web service that provides servers in the cloud which are customized as per need, and it is highly scalable and works on pay as you go model. So here I am creating one new instance in the Amazon. Here now we are in the Ohio region. So click on launch instance. For our identification, here we need to give the tag of the server. I am giving the pool. Next, we need to check the Amazon machine image. We can call is a AMI. What is AMI? AMI provides the information required to launch the EC2 instance, and it will be pre-configured templates of the operating system that runs on AWS. Users can launch the multiple EC2 instances with the same configuration from the single AMI also. Yeah, here I am choosing Red Hat, and I am mentioning here number of instances. I am keeping one, and I am taking the T2 micro, and the volume size is 10 GB only I am taking. So if we scroll down here, we have the different type of mission images will be there. So we can select based on our requirements. Now I am going with Linux 9 with free tier eligible. So if we scroll down here, we can change the CPUs and memory as per our requirements. Now I need one CPU and 1 GB memory, so I have selected that one. If you want more CPUs and more memory, then you can scroll little bit down. You will get different type of types will be there. You can choose as per your requirement. Next, key pair. We need a key pair. What is key pair? Key pair means that is a public key plus private key. That is a key pair. And Amazon EC2 uses public and private keys. Cryptography to encrypt and decrypt the information while connecting to EC2. Public key is used to encrypt the data, and private key will be decrypt the data. So now I am going to create one new key pair for this instance. So here I am giving the Nginx. I am giving pool. It's already existed. We should have only one name for that PEM key. So now I have given the pool as my PEM key and creating a new key pair, and key pair is downloaded now, and it will be in downloads. So if I little bit scroll down here, we have the network settings option will be there. So we need to edit the settings here. So we have 22 port is available, it's already opened, and I want to open 80 port for the Nginx server. So I am mentioning here 80 port, and storage I am keeping like this only. Next, you need to check this data number of instance 1, it is T2 micro, and 10 GB we took. And here Key pair is we have given everything we have provided, and the security group, here we can change that name as per we needs. So now I am giving the security group name also pool underscore sg, that means pool security group. Click on launch instance. So here it's asking add CIDR for, so I am opening anywhere, so it will not ask now. Launch instance. Now it's creating the EC2 instance. So go to an EC2 and click on instances, and now we have, earlier we have created pool, now it is in pending status, so it will be update, it will become to running status within a 3 or 4 seconds. Yeah, now I am connecting to pool machine. Once clicking on connect, we are getting this window. I am taking this one to connect, so I am opening the git bash to connect the EC2 instance. So I am maximizing the window here. First we need to go to the directory. Our PEM key is in download, so now I am going to the downloads folder. Now we are in download. So right click and paste. I think it did not copy it. Type yes to connect EC2 instance. Now I have connected to the EC2 instance. Now we are going to install the Nginx server in the EC2. Sudo yum install Nginx. Sudo I am trying to enable the Nginx server. Now it is enabled. I want to check the status of the Nginx server. Sudo systemctl status Nginx. So now it is enabled but inactive dead. So I am going to update my EC2 instance. Sudo yum update. After connecting every time, first we should update the server. Now I will tell about the security group. So now we have created one security group, pool underscore SG. I will show the, I will tell detail about that. A security group acts as a virtual firewall that controls the traffic, that is inbound or outbound. So the traffic can be either inbound or outbound from an instance. It secures the instance through IP protocol port and access through the source of the destination address. And now it's completed. So we should restart the Nginx. Then we will go for server web server checking. So sudo systemctl restart Nginx. Now we should check the status. Yeah, now it is in running. So we want to check in the browser. So go to the EC2 instances, select your machine. So here copy your public IP and paste in that browser. So 80 we should give the port. Yeah, now successfully we have deployed Nginx server in the Amazon cloud.